Hello, welcome and welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transform your basic bodice into an all-in-one sleeve bodice or a kimono bodice or an extended sleeve bodice, however you choose to call it. To get started with the basic bodice, you would want to trace your pattern out. That I have done here. Next will be to move the dart into the armhole. So you want to move it like the upper third of the armhole, not the lower part. And make sure that while you're cutting, you don't cut it through totally. And ensure to tap it in place. So now I am going to place this bodice that I have opened the armhole on a fresh pattern paper. And this is where the transformation will start. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower the armhole. So I lowered the armhole by 1.5 inches. You can lower it. The least you can lower the armhole is 1 inch, but you can do as much as 4, 3, depending on how wide you want the armhole to be. But if you are quite busty, 2 inch is preferable. Then on the shoulder area, I'm going up by 1/4 inch. So just that tip of the shoulder, go up by 1/4 inch. Then connect that. Note that you can extend the sleeve to your desired sleeve length. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll leave it at 6 inches. Then do well to connect that. And then along the armhole, you just have to curve it. You can do freehand, you can use anything to aid with the curve. With that, we are basically done with the front. So do well to cut out your pattern. And I'm going to be using this pattern in the future for lots of tutorials, so don't forget to look out for that. To the back, now if you think the front was easier, trust me, the back is the easiest. So I'm just going to paste the back bodice on the pattern paper. So placing the front on the back, just match the side, then just follow the curve. Note where the sleeve stops there. Then also adjust the upper part of it and note where the sleeve stops. As long as you match the shoulder line. And there you go, you are done with the back pattern. So all you need to do is just cut this out, and in case you're confused at any steps, you can go back and look at it. It's as simple as this, and we are going to be using this in lots of tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.